Good morning, class 9. Today your topic is landslide. Landslide. What is landslide? Landslide means movement of soil, rocks or other earth materials downhill in response to gravity. That means they are being pulled down due to the gravity. The biggest example of landslide can be seen in Maharashtra. In the recent 2-3 days earlier only, there was a big landslide, and due to which a train have been gone down. That is not done by anybody. It was the gravitational pull. That's why the earth went out and the landslide occurred. As it was raining, then also landslide do occur. Due to rain, the soil washes away and the lower portion gets empty and then the earth falls down. Landslide includes rock falls, topples, debris follows, debris, avalanches, earth flows, mud flows, creep and lateral spread of rocks or soil, anything. Areas where soil is saturated by heavy rain, that I was telling, when it is washed away by heavy rain, as it have happened in Maharashtra in 2 days, or due to snow melt or water, frequent landslides occur in those places. Well, in Maharashtra it doesn't occur frequently. This time it happened. Landslide can also be, such landslide do occur in hilly areas. Landslide can also be started by earthquakes, volcanic activity, changes in the groundwater. Might be the water that was flowing underground have changed its route, and now from where it is flowing, the muds are being washed away. The lower portion of the earth is becoming hollow, and due to which the upper layer may come down. So that is how groundwater disturbance occur. Or the changes in the slope, that is man-made construction activities, which we have seen in Kedarnath, but it was due to man-made activities. And all this combines together to bring down landslide. There are several causes of landslide: erosion or eviction. Landslide often occurs as the soil is eroded, earth material is eroded, base of the slope either by water impact or flowing water. Base means under, if this is the top layer, under it is been washed away. Then buildings, construction, whatever it is there, it might collide with it. Weak material, rocks and soil, if they are not compact in a proper manner and they are not in a less compact, then if anyway heavy construction is done over there, then landslide may occur. Or if there is heavy water flow due to rain, then also in such places landslide do occur. Excessive rainfall, which I told, excessive rainfall, moderate intense lasting several days, causes landslide. Heavy melting of snow in the hilly terrains also lead to landslide. Now if it is land, heavy rain is flowing, the land is being washed away, then it may come down. Okay, this slips down. Types of landslide, it is fall, flow, creep. Fall, free fall movement of materials detached from the step. Just is coming down. There is nothing. Slowly the things are coming down. As the soil is being soft and it is getting slippery and it is going down. So that is falls. Flows, gradually and continual movement of earthen materials along the slip surface is known as flow, because it is always moving. Fall does not happen every time. Fall might occur once and it falls down. Creep, these are very slow, steady downslope movement of soil and rock. Landslides are primarily associated with mountainous regions. They can also occur in low areas. Not only in mountainous region only such things occurs, in lowlands also such thing occurs. In low areas, landslide occur as cut and fill failures, that means eviction for road and building. River bluff failures, that means the river banks of river Ganga, they might bring down the soil and that might cause landslide. And the wide variety of slope failures associated with quarries and open pits are responsible for all these landslides. Thank you.